Hey you guys, it's Peter and Pee-Pee, the flying chihuahua, and welcome, welcome to our channel, Peter and Pee-Pee Review Dog Stuff. Boom, boom, boom. Are you so excited? Doesn't he look so excited? He's so excited, oh my God. He said, I'm feeling it on the inside. I'm not really expressing it on the outside, but he is so excited because I just put the box right here. And he was like climbing on it and he was trying to sniff on it because sniff on it, you know. All the stuff dogs do. So today we are going to review, he looks so excited. Are you excited? Can I have a kiss? Aww. Today we are going to be reviewing the Dapper Dog Box here. You ready? Okay. And this is what the Dapper Dog Box looks like. And then it has these little hearts on the side. It's so pretty. Oh my God. And I'm so excited about this. And this is very similar. Oh, he's sitting right here and I wish I could show you guys all this. You can't really see it, but he's like smelling it and stuff. It's so cute. And we thought we would do this one today. I don't know if Tucker and Boo Radley will want to join us. It's kind of hard to get them casted and ready. Casted, you know, like we cast for these videos, okay? These are very serious review videos. So yes, we cast dogs and cats for our dog reviews. So anyway, but this is very similar to the Bark Box, which I've heard a lot about. I also purchased a Bark Box. It should be coming within the next couple days. Now I will tell you, you can get the Dapper Dog Box in several different sizes. No, this is not sponsored, I wish. But you can get it in several different dog sizes. You can get it, we got it in extra small because all of our dogs are under 12 pounds. And so everything in here is for smaller dogs, extra small dogs. I don't know if the price changes depending on the size dog that you have, but we got the extra small dog box and it was $35.99. And I think that includes shipping and handling. I don't remember, maybe not, maybe it doesn't. But if you wanna get your Christmas box, or if you wanna get it by Christmas, order it by December 19th and it will get to you by Christmas is what they said. So anyway, I'm so excited about this. It says, share a photo of your box for a chance to win a free box. Pee-Pee said. Do you see it? Oh my God, he's so excited. And then it says, hashtag the Dapper Dog Box. Should we take a picture, Pee-Pee, with our box? Okay, he said, okay, Dad. Hold on a second. Are you ready? Here, we're gonna take a video, not a picture, okay? He's like, I don't really know what's going on. Pee-Pee, look up there. Look into the camera. He said, I don't want to, Dad. Okay, so that's about as good a thumbnail we're gonna get. He said, Dad, he's got one paw on my leg right now. He said, Dad, I wanna know what's in the box. So, we're gonna open the box, the Dapper Dog Box Goodies for your Dapper dog. Now, I do know that there's a bandana in here, which in our household we call bandanas, because my good Judy, my best friend in the entire world, she owns a dog corner. She does own a dog corner. She owns a dog kennel and a day boarding, grooming place and all that kind of stuff she has for 20 plus years. We call it the hotel because our pups love to go there. So anyway, but whenever we send our dog, whenever our dogs come home, they always have new bandanas on because she's got like all kinds of bandanas and stuff like that. So anyway, let's open the box. Oh my Lord, Pee-Pee, I cannot even believe it. This is what the box looks like when you open it. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna open this and let's see what's, oh, he's looking in here already. I mean, if I'm gonna do this video correctly, I have to kind of show you guys a little bit of what he's doing. Pee-Pee, what do you see in there? What do you want, honey? Do you see all kinds of treats and stuff? He said, I don't really, oh, he's going right for the treats. Do you see this? Okay, well, we're gonna try those in just a second. There's, I think, Christmas cookies in here. All right, Pee-Pee, hold on a second. Oh, he's going right for the cookie. So the cookie is, here, we'll give him this and then he can try it. There is this little cookie in here and it's a little dog. Do you see this? And it is from Tajma Hound. Delicious dog treats, peanut butter treats. Oh my Lord, Pee-Pee, look at that, peanut butter treats. Are you so excited? Oh, guess who just showed up? Tucker, do you want a peanut butter treat? Okay, so Tucker just showed up, so we now have, oh Lord. Now that doesn't smell so good. That doesn't smell as good as it did yesterday. But this is what it looks like right here. Isn't that so cute? Pee-Pee, you want a little bit of the treat? You want some of this? Okay, so to keep you busy over there, we're gonna give you a little bit of that treat. There you go. Let us know how, come on Tucker. Come on honey, come on. Okay, now Tucker's up here. Tucker, don't be eating Pee-Pee's treat. Okay, here, you can have your own treat. There you go, buddy. Good boy. Okay, so you get a little Christmas card in here, okay? And it says Happy Holidays. Wishing you a very happy holiday and a great new year. So it just like is a blank card. I guess you could use it for other things if you wanted to, because it's not signed from anything. And usually these subscription boxes put in there like what they have. Okay, so we'll put the bandana on last, but the first thing you get is this Zippy Paws Holiday Noel Squeaky Pad Plush Dog Toy. Oh! And it's a little penguin. Oh my God, I love this so much. This is so great. Okay, so we'll have to take the tags and stuff off later for them, but so they can see it right now. Now, Boo Radley never plays with toys. Tucker is really the only one that plays with plush toys. Tucker! Tucker, you want some more treats? So this is, I don't know what we're gonna call him. We're gonna call him Ernie. Oh my God, there's all different kinds of... What do you think, buddy? Come up here, come on, come on. What do you think, bud? Come over here. You want some more cookie? You want some more cookie? Okay, here you go. Here's some more cookie for you. Is Pee-Pee done with this cookie? Pee-Pee's still eating. Oh, Lord. Oh, no, 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 no. Come here. We got another friend. Come on. Here we go. We got Boo Radley. Now, Boo Radley is very hesitant with this treat. So here you take your treat. You want it? Oh, he doesn't like this treat. You don't want it? You want to try it? You want to see the plush toy? He'll get scared of this. What do you think of that? That's Ernie. That's Ernie the penguin, bud. Here, Tucker. Tucker. Tucker, over here. Here. Boo Radley doesn't want it, so you take it. Well, we'll have more treats in just a second, Boo Radley, so you stay right over here. Okay, so we got Ernie, and we got treats so far, a little dog treat. Then the next thing that we have is, oh my God, these are so cute. Okay, so these little Zippy Paws mini plush toys, here they are, and they're little reindeer. I think it's like, is there Rudolph in there? I don't know. Everybody's jumping down and going away. So, oh, what is this? Okay, so this in here is, oh, cheer, the holidays are here. Oh, this was one of the things you could order. So you could order this little toy right here for an extra $13, but I didn't think we need. Not for $13, it's very expensive. And then here's a little example of the bandanas and all that kind of stuff. Pee-Pee, there's gonna be more treats here in just a second. Don't you wanna see what the treats are? So these are the little, those are so cute. Oh my God, I love those. And you get 3 of them, which is perfect because we have 3 dogs. Oh my God. Now, all my dogs have left the video at this point, so they don't really care about this anymore. Well, hey, it was great while it lasted. Okay, so here's what you get. You get these little... Oh, Petey, come here. You want to put on a bandana? Now, Pee-Pee is the one that, he likes fashion, okay? I know it's hard to believe, but Pee-Pee is really all about the couture, okay? He is a couture dog, so just don't even worry about it, okay? Boo Radley, he's more of an adventurer. If you watch my vlogs, you know, Boo Radley, he's his own person. Don't even worry about it, okay? If you ask Boo Radley, you say, oh, Boo Radley, what's my... Oh, don't even worry about me. I'm my own person. I say, oh, Boo Radley, you're your own... Oh, yes, I'm my own person. He says, come on, come on. You want to tell people what's going on with you? Where you're going tonight? Are you going anywhere tonight? Well, I think that I might be going to Texas. Texas? Oh yeah, you know, I like to do the boot scootin' boogie. The boot scootin' boogie? Oh, don't even worry about it. I'm one of the best rodeo dancers in the world. Rodeo dancer? He says, oh, I love that Shania Twain. I just think she's so pretty. Shania Twain? He said, oh yeah, I love her. Don't even worry about me. I'm my own person. Well, where are you gonna go after that? Well, I'll probably take the red eye to Hawaii. Hawaii? Yeah, I'm gonna live in a treehouse and I'm gonna eat me some pineapples. Boo Radley, how do you pay for all of that? Oh, I got lots of gold coins, don't even worry about it. Where do you keep them? He said, oh, I keep them on Diagon Alley. Diagon Alley? Boo Radley, you making up all these stories. Okay, so anyway, here's the bandana. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's got these little ties and stuff on it. Where's Pee-Pee the Flying Chihuahua? Pee-Pee the Flying Chihuahua, come here, we need you to be a fashion model of the world. He's like, is that food? Because if it's not food, I don't want it. Okay. So here is the little bandana. Oh, he's being so good. Look, you can't see this, but he is being so good. He's just sitting here while I put this on. Okay, we had a little filming error, but we are back with the bandana on, and doesn't it look so nice on him? Oh my Lord. Pee-Pee, you're ready to go to a Christmas party. He said, oh, every day of the week, don't even worry about it. Do you go to Christmas parties? He said, I am invited to all of the best Christmas parties. I'm sure you are. Okay. Which means you're gonna be very excited about the last thing that's in here. The last thing that is in here, bandanas have a new look. We're so excited to debut our new upgraded bandana. You cannot see, but Tucker is over here and he is like, what is going on? What is going on? Okay. Oh my God. Film editing at its best. Okay. We are so excited to debut our new upgraded bandanas. We took your feedback and tested a variety of styles and sizes to further perfect Dapper Dog bandanas. We just know you and your pup are going to love them. Let us know what you think at the dapperdogbox.com/bandana survey. They had a survey for the bandanas. Oh my God, that cracks me up. Okay. So then the last thing that we have is Immunity Boost Chews with bone broth, turmeric, and I don't know what all that stuff means. But anyway, basically treat for the world. Tucker is right here. He's wanting his treat. You can't see him, but he is like dying right here. Do you want to get up on? Okay, we're getting up on. And then there's Pee-Pee with the bandana. Tucker, you can probably have a whole one of these. Boo and ooh, they don't smell very good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Well, they will break off. Okay, so here, take yours. You want to take yours? He's going to take that and he's going to chew. And then, okay, here, Boo Radley, is yours. He just took that and he ran to his house. Now, Pee-Pee, do you want the Pee-Pee? Pee-Pee's over here trying to get the papers for the. He's trying to get the papers for the. Oh my Lord, we're dropping all this. He's trying to get the papers for. Here you go. Do you want? Hold on a second. He said, Dad, I am ready to go chew this thing with my 2 teeth that I have left in my mouth. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna have some fun. Okay, you go over there, sweetie, and you go chew on that. So this is what I think, okay? I think these things are probably worth, I don't know, anywhere between $10 and $15. I think this plush toy is probably, I mean, it's a nice plush toy. The head, I don't know how easy it rips apart. I don't know how your dogs are, but our dogs just like rip these apart. Well, Tucker does it, just for the insides. So this is probably, I don't know, $3 or $4. And then these, I don't know, are probably, I don't know, $10. And then the bandana, and then the cookie. I mean, I don't necessarily think that it's worth $36. I think that's a lot of money, but maybe, I think maybe. And I think to get like a special box for your dogs every month, I kind of love it. I support it. I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5. I think to maybe have had a couple of different more, you know, treats in there would have been kind of fun. Maybe some samples of some things I think would be fun. I love the idea of the bandana. And it's actually a really, I'm looking at it right now on Pee-Pee. It's a high-end bandana because it's like, you know, tied around his neck with a little thing. It's not just, if he wasn't enjoying this snack so much. Oh, here, I don't know if I can show you, but can I show you? Oh, it's spinning around. Here he is on the floor. Can you want to be a movie star, Pee-Pee? There he is eating the snack. But anyway, we are high into the editing over here, aren't we? Okay, where did my phone go? Okay, so yeah, I would give it a 4.5 out of 5. I think it's really a good box. Now, I haven't seen the Bark box, so I don't know how to compare it to that, but I really like this. And they love these treats. So yeah, I think the treats were really good. They liked all of them. Boo Radley took his and ran. The only one that Boo Radley didn't like was the cookie, and that is interesting to me because he usually likes that kind of stuff. Okay. Now, I want to talk about the winner. Well, first of all, if you would like to win today's, giveaway, I'm doing another $25. Tucker's like, is there more treats? Is there more treats? No, we've had enough treats for right now. That's enough. I'm going to do another $25 Visa gift card, and all I need you to do is to put what your favorite subscription box is in the comment section below, or if you've never received a subscription box, what subscription box you would like to see reviewed, because I would like to do more reviews of those over here. So put it in the comment section below. If you put your Instagram, it probably will really help me find you, just so you know. And the winner today actually did put their Instagram, and they follow me as well on Instagram. So thank you, Stephanie. The winner is Stephanie, and her name on YouTube is Fluorescent Gray, that she leaves her, her comments under, so Fluorescent Gray. I think her Instagram name is Stephanie. Please, Stephanie K, please reach out to me. Email me at peterreviewstuff@gmail.com, which is listed below, and I will get your, oh, that's the $45 Target gift card. So I will get your $45 Target gift card out to you as soon as possible. And her comment about her favorite office supply is, she says, I am always buying notebooks, even if I have a bunch of empty ones. Instagram, and then she puts her Instagram on here. Come here, buddy. Do you want to do your review? Tucker is dying. He's like, are there more treats? Are there more treats? Are there more treats? What's your dad doing upstairs? Is your dad upstairs getting ready? What's he doing? Oh my Lord. This one right here, he could eat treats all day long. What would you give the box? He said, I give it a 5 out of 5. I want more, I want more. So anyway, Tucker and I are gonna sign off now, and we love you guys, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.